All right, so it's 16 degrees outside. It was 6 degrees a few hours ago, so we're gonna start the vehicles and make sure they're running. Here's my car, Bronco Sport. I've had it for about 5 months now, and I already put just about 10,000 miles, but as expected, starts right up. Nissan Rogue SL 2013. This one does not need a key either. Ooh, a little rough, isn't it? Dials are all sticky. Not to mention, this car has 224,000 miles on the original CVT. How? I don't know. It's witchcraft. And it's a 2013, the worst year of the CVT fret rope. I don't know how it's still driving, but it's a good car. Here's the Sonata. This one's been sitting a little longer than the others. This one needs a key. Still got juice. I'm really the only one that drives it now because my father got that car now, and we don't really drive this in the winter because everyone else has no wheel drive cars, this front wheel. We became spoiled, but let's hear it. This one did not sound happy. I think some of the tires are low. This one has 193,000 miles. So both the Rogue and this are both known to be plagued with issues. Both have been fine. The only thing is this is on its second engine. So it's under, I believe, recall, not warranty. So besides an engine, this car has been good. All right. Thank you for watching.